There's a Target in Rockville, Marshall's Crossing. They fully revamped these. New cabs. There used to be a big, fat security camera, but they ripped that out and replaced it with a new one. Shakes a little bit. You can hear the other one going up. These are Schindlers, by the way. They're not Schindlers, MEIs. Technically Millennium. Let's go back up. Motor. Not that great of a motor. Oh, that's over. Oh crap, I closed it. I'm so stupid. Now I can't get it back open. I'm so dumb. Capacity is 5,000 pounds. That certificate is expired. We'll switch. Classic levels. These have the, oh, that's a rough door. This thing has a much better motor than the other one. Back down. Can I view this one? That light's gone. Shaft noise. We're gonna do level on one. Let's try something. Let's see if it selects our floor and call it. Yeah, it does. That's cool. I like that Target elevators do that. Oh, I'm downstairs. I think that's jail. I saw that for a split second, so I'll check when I get downstairs. It's almost like a brand new decorator button since that like has never been pushed. There's a lot of shaft noise when we level on one. Classic level. Let's watch. Nice. And we'll send it up. And we'll select. Oh, I had to wave my hand with the sensor for it to select. That is cool. Oh, gosh.